Hi, my name is Lerums and I work at the Marc School of Woodworking, and primarily I'm in the turning room. And this week I'm fortunate enough to be an instructor at the school, and our class is focusing on wood turning for furniture makers. This week we're learning the tools that are essential to the wood turner, and we're using those tools to make some really neat pieces of furniture. So here we have a plant stand, a shaker-inspired bench, a shaker-inspired end table, and we're going to be working on a whole lot more projects. If you want to come learn how to join spindles to make beautiful pieces of furniture, you should definitely sign up for a class. Alrighty, let's go take a look at some of the tools that the students are using in this class. Yeah, Dan's over here using a half-speed grinder, sharpening up his skew chisel. Skew chisel is one of the oldest tools in wood turning. It can be used to create all sorts of different forms, beads, coves, and lots of small details. So the primary tools that we've been learning this week are the Spindle Roughing Gouge. This is for making your piece go from square to round, and for making nice long sweeping curves. In my left hand we have the Spindle Detail Gouge. This is for making beads, coves, little details. And my last tool that's become crucial to us is our parting tool, and it's mostly used for sizing tenons and creating space to be able to make these little details. Yeah, so that's what we've been working on this week. If you're interested in taking one of the classes at Marc, you can check out the website or find us on social media.